On construction sites throughout the country, there may be a number of issues that are highway defects. The signage involved, the speed limit, the notice given to motorists as they're going through a construction area or an intersection, pavement edge drop-offs. Studies have shown that if even professional drivers who go off an edge drop-off on the side of a highway can't control the vehicle after coming back on. In a recent case that settled, a 16-year-old driver was driving in a construction zone, and due to an oncoming vehicle went into his lane, and so he went out into the median and collided into a sign, and the sign collapsed and caused him to become a quadriplegic. And when we investigated the case and looked deeper into what happened, the bolts on the bottom of the sign were supposed to be breakaway bolts, and they were inserted wrong. And so that's the type of investigation you get when you hire our firm. Is we'll look at several different angles of why a crash occurred and why injuries may be way more significant than they would have if there had been no wrongdoing. If you've been involved in a crash in a roadway hazard, our firm has experience investigating, well, what could have contributed to this crash? What could have been done and should have been done that would have provided the right notice or would have made the roadway safer so that this crash wouldn't have occurred? We work with experts throughout the country. We're familiar with national standards that apply to roadway design and traffic control and notice requirements. And we can take a look at a case and identify issues with the roadway and pursue claims that other firms may not have that same experience or may not even be aware of that potential avenue. When clients come to us, they've either lost a loved one or they've experienced a catastrophic injury themselves, and they're facing huge financial burdens, whether it's past medical bills, future medical care, issues with being able to work. And part of our job is taking some of those burdens from our clients and pursuing the case so that they can focus on their own lives and getting better themselves.